the master gave talents according to their ability. And I'm asking myself this question when I was reading the scripture. I said, geez, Lord, what type of servant am I? Am I the 1 talent servant? Am I the 2 talent servant? Or am I the 5 talent servant? Because he gave them money according to their ability. And so check this out, guys. This is what the master said. I'm not sure if I trust you, but here's one. Let me see what you do with it. Okay, let me give you one talent, give one opportunity. I'll give you $1, $100, whatever that scale is. The other one, he says, I think I'll trust you a little bit more. Here's 2 talents. And the other servant says, dude, I know what you're doing. Here's 5 talents. I gave you the most. So think about this real quick. You have a relationship with the Lord, right? And the Lord gives you an opportunity. One opportunity. What do you do with it? You operate out of fear? Or does it place an abundance of opportunities your way? Does it place an abundance of clients and people and opportunities and doors opening for you because he knows that you know what to do with it? What is your ability? Have you assessed your ability? Have you assessed what to do with $1,000, with $500, with $50,000? Because if you've been trusted with the least, then you will be blessed with the most. So do you know what to do with the least? According to your ability. Whoa, this is preaching now, isn't it? That's what the scripture's telling me. Number 4, back to that point. Are you doing the most with the least? What exactly are you doing with the least? Are you living paycheck to paycheck? Are you spending more than what you have? Are you cutting away, slicing away some money to give, to tithe, to save? Are you saying, okay, man, I got $1,000, but I'm going to spend $1,500 thanks to credit cards? And hopefully next month I just pay off the interest of my monthly payments instead of actually paying off the whole credit card? Am I doing the most with what I have, with what I've been given? And if so, guess what? The master might come back from his journey and say, oh, you're a 2 talent servant. Let me now give you 5 talents because you've done with the least. Now you're going to be blessed with the most. Guys, I don't have a college degree. I don't have a master's degree. I don't have a PhD. All I got is experience. And all I've done is just follow biblical principles in the Bible that's helped me see money and my actions and my business differently. Here's the crazy part. I go to church on Sundays. Listen, I'll tell you this, I'm not a pastor, and I'm not here to judge anybody, but here's my observation. I go to church on Sundays, and people put their arms out, Lord, bless me, Lord, bless me, Lord, bless me. And the moment they get in a parking lot, they forget what they're asked to be blessed with. They forget the testimony. They forget what they were asking for in church. They start operating back in fear again. Come Monday morning, they operate in fear again. But the Lord can't bless you because with the least he's given you, you're not doing anything about it. Whew. And maybe that's a talk and a conversation some of you don't want to hear, but perhaps need to hear. And maybe this is the video just to share and expose that to you. But if you want to be blessed with the most, you got to make sure you do with the least as much as you possibly can with what you know. And you're always asking questions. If you find yourself in a position of always asking questions, like, okay, why is this opportunity being put in front of me again? Why is somebody talking to me about saving and budgeting again? Why is somebody saying something about life insurance again? Why is somebody saying something about 401k again? Why is somebody saying about this again? It keeps happening in front of me all the time. You should be paying attention to it. It might be a sign that the good Lord is trying to tell you something. Let me ask you this question. I've asked this question multiple times. I get this from the Bible. How many of the last 5 or 10 decisions have you made, especially right now through the holiday season? How many decisions have you made in the last 5, 10 decisions you've made have been related to money? And why are they related to money? You know, I always say, if you place a decision in front of you and you extract money from the decision, that exposes then the pure decision you're about to make. For example, I want to buy this for somebody. I want to get this one because I want to give it to as a gift, but I don't have the money. That's not the pure decision. If you had your heart and eyes on something, man, I want to give that to a gift as somebody. They need to be blessed with this. I need to give them an opportunity. Guess what? You should give it to them, but you don't do it because you don't have the money. See, that's a problem. And that's a question that you need to find answers to in 2021. So therefore, you start removing money from the equation because now you can get to the character of the decision in that process.